Hello, game design students. Here's a quick walkthrough on how to install the Unity software we'll be using. The Unity game engine, it's linked in under Unit 0 game design software. If you scroll down there, it links you into the description of the two different plans that students generally use. Um, so under individual plans, there's a student plan and a personal plan. Both of them are free for you to use. Since you are students enrolled in an accredited educational institution, you are eligible for the student plan here. To get this, you need to sign up for the GitHub Student Developer Pack, which is actually a cool pack of lots of free software for students. Um, One thing nice about this is that your version of Unity will allow for teams. So then when you're working with someone else in the class or a couple different accounts if you have them, you can have multiple people working on the same project together. So that's one advantage. Otherwise, the personal edition will be fine also. So you want to sign up for one of those. Now to actually get the software, you have to download Unity Hub. Um, so here's a link to downloading Unity Hub. Um, so you have to create a Unity ID. That's what you do through the other thing. But then you download Unity Hub here and get it and install it on your machine. Um, okay, I'm not going to download, but it's available for Mac, Linux, and Windows systems here. Okay, once you run Unity Hub, um, by default, it'll show you some of the projects. You probably won't have any projects initially, but once you start creating games and doing assignments, you'll have those will be listed here. Under Learn, there's a bunch of tutorials and stuff, and we'll actually be using some of these, the creator kits, for example, in our course. Um, and then installs is where it lists what version of Unity you have installed, and we want to be installing this what's called a long-term release 2019.4. Whatever's after that's not important, but the 2019.4 is what you want to be installing. Um, so, and then to add a license, you can add here and select what version of this you want. And again, we want this, the 2019 long-term support release version of Unity installed. And then you hit next and install that for this. In order to do that, you'll need to have an account and be logged in. Up here is my login. Here's my account tied to my CSS address. So if you don't have an account, you'll have to create one. Um, and then you can manage your licenses from here. For example, this is a personal license here, and I can also activate other licenses. Uh, for example, if you get that student license, you can use that here. Okay, then once you have Unity installed, okay, go back out of preferences, the projects, you can create a new project here, and we'll go over that. But you just want to have Unity installed with this 2019.4 long-term support release.